Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's continue working on this index page. So last time we have add the featured books, and one of the problems that I left out is that I made some mistakes on the styles of these featured books. It's basically just within this span, I need to have the background color and the padding. And after that, if you refresh, we have the features. Okay, so this looks good. And the next thing we need to do is to add some background image to make this looks better. As you can see right now, the book image is pretty big, okay, and it's kind of like a plane. So we're gonna do something to make it looks better. So first of all, I'm gonna have a background image. Okay, it's basically just a wooden shelf texture like image as background. Okay, so you can find this in the source code. So once I have this image copied, we're gonna refresh the project folder, and then we're gonna modify this code to include the image. So this one will be image shelf.png, and will be the image responsive, and also we're gonna wrap this content into a division called carousel caption. Okay, and we're gonna use this to replace for the other part. Let's come back and refresh. Okay, so this looks better. And after that, let's try to modify the content of the navigation bar, because we don't need all those tabs, right? We're gonna have some tabs like search books or books and my account, things like that. So let's come back to our navigation source code, which is right here. We can first remove this navigation header part, as we're not dealing with responsive. Okay, and the project name, we're gonna change it to list bookstore, or whatever name that you like. And also we're gonna remove this collapse, which is for collapsing the menu in the smaller screen for responsive design. And we're gonna add a navbar dash left here, and then we're gonna delete all these three list items, and we're gonna have a drop down as books, and also in this drop down menu we'll be having three list items. One is browse the bookshelf, which will be listing the books that we have, or store hours, and having this %, directions. And then we have the FAQ part. So if you're not familiar with this is basically a place for the n%. It's just we cannot use the n% directly because this will be passed as something, some code. So we have to use the HTML and .38 semicolon to represent the n% symbol. Okay. And then let's come back. We're gonna have a form. And this form will be to search the book with the book title keyword. So we're gonna have an input, which is text type. Name would be keyword. Class would be form control. Oops. Placeholder would be book title. And we'll be having the button. And this will be the button from Bootstrap. And we'll call it search. Okay. And let's take a look at what do we have so far. So we have the bookstore and the drop-down list, search, and I'm gonna modify this part as well. Okay. So that should be from here. So the first, we're gonna get rid of this active class. The first element should be shopping cart. The next one would be my account. And the third one would be logout. Okay, so looks like it's not displaying correctly. Let's come back and take a look. It's probably because that we need to wrap this text within a anchor tag. So let's just do that. And we're gonna make the hyperlink as £sign for now. So as you can see, it's looking better now. So let's just add that for the remaining part. Okay, so that looks good. All right, that's pretty much for this lesson. We will continue in the next one. See you guys in the next video. Bye.